What is up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with a new video for you guys today. I'm joined with Vasily, bro. Vasily, of course. So today I promised you guys in the last video I got a new project for you guys, and which
it's a surprise.
Is right here. I will turn around the camera and show you guys what it is. Yep, Kawasaki zx6r 2009. So I got this bike a few weeks ago. It's just the delivery guy took forever. So in the Copart ad, it said that it had keys, but it came without no keys. So I went ahead and I called Copart today, and I called them and they said they checked and they have some keys. So they are mailing it for us today, mailing out tomorrow, and we should receive them sometime this week. So I'll show you guys what is wrong with the bike, of course. So it has an aftermarket exhaust, which that's cool and everything. So this fender, I thought it was going to be good, but I come around to look here, and I'm not getting Chinese fairings like I did for the Kawasaki,
zx6r.
like I did for the Ninja 300, but, so we need this whole, okay, pretty much need all the, I'm going to try to go OEM with them, so I'm going to find some used ones, maybe that just need some touch-up, and get them all done. So then we're gonna need this front piece, which looks like it's together, but it actually separates right here. And speedometer. I thought the speedometer itself was gonna be good. Till I looked in there, the screen is cracked, so don't know what to do with the mileage. See if I could get the original mileage and see what happens. So yeah. Speedometer, and I have ready the parts I have in order, are gonna be coming in soon. Is the handlebar right here for this side, which I'm keeping all the levers and stuff like that because they're good, but the handlebar, and this is where it leaks oil. So we got this whole forgot the name of it, but I will put it in the video. But got this coming into the mail, and there's some scratches on the paint. This I'm not too worried about the hole because it's a little plastic thing that goes in there. Frame seems to be good, so there's a little bit of a dent on the fuel tank. That's not a big worry. So then we have this plastic back here. It's gonna be a replacement. This plastic right here, I'm gonna order a new one. Yeah, tire might be swapped out in the future. It has a fender eliminator kit, rear tail light aftermarket. So, oh yeah, and I will need to get this piece right here. So that's it with all the problems, and I'm gonna, of course, get these off, order some new ones, new stickers and stuff like that. But that's it with the problems. I don't know if the radiator is good or not. We will find out later. Oh, the headlights too. Pretty much every cosmetic part on here, and some not cosmetic parts, but shouldn't be a big worry. We should get it done soon. Probably like 2 weeks or 3. And we'll have this thing running once we get all the parts. So only reason it's gonna take about 2 weeks is because of the parts. They come in different timing. I'm gonna do one at a time. So yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and start getting to work on the bike, start taking it apart in like an hour or so, and start taking this side apart and then the rest. So catch you guys then. I'm not doing it right now, but like in hours, so catch you guys then. So it's been a couple hours, and I'm gonna hop onto it. So I'm gonna start the time lapse now. So I'm gonna kind of explain what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take this plastic off, get all these bolts in one area, like in a plastic bag, Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off the front right here, headlights, speedometer. Go ahead and take off this fairing, and the back I'll do later. Keep the gas tank on for now. Yeah, that looks like what I'm gonna get started on now, just so I could have a good opening for this part. So when the part comes in like a few days, I could get this swapped out pretty easily. So yeah, let's get to work. Anyways, guys, I got this fender off. That's what I'm gonna do for today. We're gonna wait for this part to come back in, and I'm gonna go ahead tomorrow. I am not feeling too good today, so I'm gonna go ahead and tomorrow go ahead and take off the front. I was looking at it. Seems pretty easy, but I'm gonna catch you guys back here tomorrow. See ya. So it's currently the next day. So I'm gonna show you guys. I ordered some new parts, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I don't have the parts with me, but I did order me a new speedometer, which I found one on Marketplace for like $50. So I went ahead and I purchased it, and it'll be delivered in 2 days. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna start with keeping this side off until I get this replaced, and making sure that the engine is all good and it wasn't ran without oil in the engine. So yeah, we'll see if it's good, and then I'll start as soon as we find out that it starts and it runs and everything. I'll start taking this apart, and basically all the cosmetics after we get it figured out with this piece right here, and handlebars are gonna be in here soon. Yeah, and this piece should be delivered tomorrow. So yeah, that'll be it for this video, guys. It was a little short video. Just a rundown and everything. That's what's wrong with the bike. Just took that one plastic off, and we'll catch you guys, I guess, when I start replacing the speedometer and the bottom piece. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and stay tuned for the next videos. We'll be having one in a few days, so this was a part 1. Part 2 will be coming out soon, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and comment. And if you guys want to stay tuned to know for sure when a video will be uploaded, subscribe and hit your bell notifications. And that'll be it. Peace out.